Welcome back. Well, it is tax season, everyone, and we've got your back this morning with a heads up about a free tax filing service in Hamden. Accounting students at Quinnipiac University are spending their time one-on-one with people to help get that task done. And joining us this morning is Quinnipiac Associate Accounting Professor Nelson Alino and Quinnipiac Accounting student George Cordy to tell us about it. I'm sorry, Professor Alino. Thank you so much for being here.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you so much for being here, George. So let's talk about how this works. First of all, how are the students trained to be able to do this?
So we start up by having our accounting students go through the basic tax class, and then they prepare themselves by taking a course that is provided by the IRS. And after going through that course, they will have to take a test and pass all the tests. And the tests are graded based on that you have to reach at least a basic 80 to 90% accuracy to be certified to do other people's taxes.
And you said this is a test that you also have to take.
And everyone who touches the tax return will have to take the test.
And who qualifies to be able to get this free tax help?
Anyone whose income is below 54,000, 54,000 and below, will qualify to get their taxes done for free. And the whole purpose is to help people who ordinarily, maybe because of the cost of filing taxes, would not have filed their taxes. So we make that available so people can really feel free to come in and do their taxes.
That's wonderful. And George, have you helped before, or is this your first year?
This is my first year doing it, and it's definitely been a lot of fun, helping out tons of different people. So.
How many people have you already helped?
I've probably helped like a dozen or so.
Wow.
Yeah, they take a little while to do, but the first ones take a while, and then once you get used to it, it goes a little bit faster. So.
Was that course hard that you had to pass to enable to do this?
Definitely wasn't easy.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
So what's the general reaction when you help someone when they get their taxes done?
Everyone is so thankful every time that we help them, and we love to do it. Honestly, I've never heard anyone complain about doing it. So.
How many students do this?
We have right now over 55 certified students from Quinnipiac University that are helping out.
And you're helping get them qualified
We're
too.
helping to get them qualified. We train them, we help them through the testing, and come out. Our students are great. That's all I can say. Over the years we've done this. This is the 6th year we're doing it at Quinnipiac. Wow. The School of Business has been doing this for 6 years, and we've had great success trying to help people. One thing is the students are helped because it's a hands-on training for them.
Sure.
And most of them had, over the years gone on to become tax preparers themselves. You can't beat the value.
So George, do you think that this is something that you'll want to pursue?
Possibly. I'm not sure yet, but definitely an option.
And are some of the students, do they return every year, and then do they see similar faces come back to get help?
Definitely. There's definitely some people who come back a lot, so.
That's wonderful, wonderful. I take it, is it difficult once those people come in through the door? I mean, do some people not have the correct paperwork?
Well, yeah, definitely. And there's also people who will wait sometimes for a little while, but we get everybody for the most part.
So if somebody is looking to head out, they qualify, they make under $54,000 a year, what should they bring with them?
The key thing that we ask people to bring is, one, we want to make sure that the person who's filing the tax is the person that owns the tax return. So they'll have to provide some government-issued IDs.
Okay.
Most of the tax returns will have to require them that they bring their Social Security cards. If you have dependents who you're going to claim, we want to make sure we have those on file. You also want to bring everything that you receive that says important tax information.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Professor Alino.
It's my pleasure.
George.
Thank you.
Corday, thank you so much for coming on. And for more information, you can look at your screen right now. It'll be Thursdays until April 14th, 3 to 8 at the Keefe Community Center in Hamden. And for more information, of course, you can always head to our website, WTNH.com. Just go on that Honor tab and pull it down to the Good Morning Connecticut section.